International Standards for Phytosanitary Measures No. 15 is an international phytosanitary measure developed by the International Plant Protection Convention that directly addresses the need to treat wood materials of a thickness greater than 6 mm, used to ship products between countries. Its main purpose is to prevent the international transport and spread of disease and insects that could negatively affect plants or ecosystems. Ispm 15 affects all wood packaging material requiring that they be debarked and then heat-treated or fumigated with methyl bromide and stamped or branded, with a mark of compliance. This mark of compliance is colloquially known as the wheat stamp. Products exempt from the Ispm 15 are made from alternative material, like paper, plastic or wood panel products. Ispm 15 revision. The revision of Ispm No. 15 under Annex 1 requires that wood used to manufacture Ispm 15 compliant wood packaging must be made from debarked wood, not to be confused with bark-free wood, and be treated to 56 degrees Celsius for a minimum of 30 minutes. Ispm 15 was updated to adopt the bark restriction regulations proposed by European Union in 2009. Australia held out for approximately 1 year with more stringent bark restrictions before conforming July 1, 2010. Debarked wood packaging. Wood packaging materials must be debarked prior to being heat-treated or fumigated to meet Ispm 15 regulations. The debarking component of the regulation is to prevent the reinfestation of insects while lumber is sitting to be manufactured, or even after it has been manufactured. The official definition for debarked lumber according to the Ispm 15 revision is, irrespective of the type of treatment applied, wood packaging material must be made of debarked wood. For this standard, any number of visually separate and clearly distinct small pieces of bark may remain if they are less than 3 cm in width or greater than 3 cm in width, with the total surface area of an individual piece of bark less than 50 square centimeters. Argument for bark removal: what are the post-treatment levels of infestation compared with pre-treatment levels? Overall, from the studies presented there is either a. no significant difference between infestation levels of treated and untreated wood, or b. differences identified are related to the species of insect which may prefer treated or untreated wood. Supporting information from a North American study is summarized in the table below. Ispm marking. IPPC certification symbol 20 represents the two-letter ISO country code or ISO 3166-1 Alpha 2 code. 00 represents the unique certification number issued to NPPOs. Inclusion of this certification number ensures that the wood packaging material can be traced back to the NPPO auditing agency. 1111 represents the unique certification number issued to the treatment provider and/or manufacturer. Inclusion of this certification number ensures that the wood packaging material can be traced back to the treatment provider and/or the manufacturer. YY represents the treatment applied to the wood packaging material. HT is the code for heat treatment to a minimum of 56 degrees Celsius for a minimum of 30 minutes. MB is the code for methyl bromide fumigation. DUN represents the code for when the solid wood material is used for dunnage. The DUN dunnage code is not applied to manufactured wood packaging, only loose lumber timbers to help secure products being shipped. The Ispm 15 compliant stamp may include further information as producers and suppliers may choose to include additional information for identification purposes. Countries participating in Ispm 15, although this is only a reference, confirmation with the export authority when exporting to another country is required. This is a complete list as of July 1, 2010. Countries and their approximate Ispm 15 adoption date. See also, ASTM D6253 treatment and/or marking of wood packaging materials, references, branding IPPC tools, revision of Ispm No. 15 regulation of wood packaging material and international trade, discussion of debarked versus bark-free wood, heat-treated Ispm 15 timber http, www.timberparkincasses.com/ Retrieved September 25, 2014. Australia announces its adoption of Ispm 15. Examination of phytosanitary issues related to bark on wood packaging material and Ispm 15 treatments. A current list of participating countries. Further reading, Yam, K.L., Encyclopedia of Packaging Technology, John Wiley & Sons, 2009, ISBN 978-0-470-08704-6, external links, debarked wood definition and photos, Transport Information Service, import regulations for packaging containers made from solid wood, IPPC standard, IPPC homepage, ISPM 15 pallets. Exportation, Paperboard Packaging Council.